Hello, I'm Amira.
Hi, I'm Zati.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Azmil Mira.
So right now, let's follow us.
ABC fire extinguishers use a dry chemical powder, typically monoammonium phosphate, which can put out all three fire types. When you discharge the extinguisher, the powder creates a barrier between the fuel and the oxygen, which helps to smoother the flames. It's non-conductive, so it's safe to use on electrical wires. How to use an ABC fire extinguisher. To operate it, remember this pass technique. First, pull the pin to break the temper seal. Second, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not at the flame. Third, squeeze the handle to release the extinguisher agent. Fourth, sweep the nozzle from side at the base of the fire until it's completely extinguished. Next, let me tell you guys about the hose reel. Hose reel is a firefighting tool used for quickly and efficiently dispensing water during a fire emergency. It's a drum or reel that holds a long and flexible hose. And right now, we have 22 hose reels in this architect device. Here is a breakdown of its features and uses. First, nozzle control. The hose is equipped with a nozzle that allows the user to control water flow and pressure, making it easier to target specific areas of fire. Second, automatic winding. Many hose reels have a mechanism to automatically rewind the hose after use, making it quick and convenient to store. Fourth, length and reach. The hose length is usually about 30 meters or 100 feet, giving it a wide coverage area. It can reach most areas within the vicinity of its mounting point. How to apply hose reel. Hose reels are suitable for Class A, those involving combustible materials like wood, paper, and textiles, but generally unrecommended for fires involving electricity or flammable liquids, as water can be effective or hazardous in these cases.
Hi everybody, at this moment I'm going to be explaining about break glass and fire alarm. It is one of the most essential components in a building to help the process of putting out fire and evacuating people to the assembly point. In this building, there are about 22 of break glass and fire alarms. During ongoing fire, someone will be required to break the glass of the fire alarm. The glass will be broken, resulting in the switch of the fire alarm to be immediately turned on. The fire alarm will ring as an emergency sign to evacuate to the assembly point. The next component that I'm going to be explaining about is fire-rated door. Fire-rated door is usually required in stairways, corridors, and elevator zones. There are about 10 fire-rated doors in this building. Fire-rated door is heavy and has about 44 or 45 millimeters of thickness to resist the fire from spreading for a period of time. This allows more time for people to evacuate the building without worrying the fire to catching up to them. Fire-rated door is also important to avoid the spreading of fire to the electrical panel to protect the electrical system of the building to being damaged from fire. Fire-rated door also functions to protect the building properties such as furniture and equipment from total damage from fire. Last but not least, I'm going to be explaining about escape route. Escape route is important because fire is a risk in every building, so people should be able to escape through escape route to evacuate safely. Escape route functions to ensure that any person confronted by fire in the building should be able to run far away from it and escape to a place that is safe as far as possible.
Hi everyone, I'm here to introduce you all about the electricity supply system. Electricity supply system is the process of delivering electricity from a power station to the consumer. It's usually generated at lower voltage and then step up to the higher voltage for efficient transmission. After reach the distribution system, the voltage step down again to make it safe for use by consumer. Right now, I'm standing in the architecture department building to explain the electrical system in this building to you all. Every floor have at least one service panel or electrical wiring system. For electrical panel, it's also known as breaker box. As you can see, in the inside have many wires that connect to main part and supply electric. Beside that, it's act as the central hub that distribute electricity from the utility company to various circuits in this building, such as workshop, studio, and also class. What about the electrical wiring system? This system and installation of cabling through which power is distributed to various devices, as you can see. The device in the structure such as light, fan, socket, and the others. Other than that, its function can be ensure a continuous power supply, and it also includes safety features to prevent electrical hazard and allow you to control device with switch. Why we need and for what? First, it's also convenience because it allows you to control the power supply to different part in the building. Second, making it easier to manage electrical repairs and maintenance. Lastly, it is crucial for safety, managing and distributing electrical throughout the building.